With today's video, you will get your first ever payment on the internet. A lot of you watching my videos really want to work hard and make your dream come true, and I'm giving you the best tools to do so. Imagine lying in bed, reading a book or watching a movie or videos on YouTube, and you get a text message that says that you have made over $1,000 on complete autopilot without even realizing it. That's exactly how you're going to be living thanks to this video. Hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to every one of our viewers. Now let's get into it. In today's video, we will use a couple of websites to maximize our earnings and start making a big amount of money on the internet. I have proof that this method works, and all you have to do is download files, upload them to a website that does everything for you, and watch how money starts rolling in. But before we get into the easy steps of the video, comment down below and tell me what would you do when you start making $1,000 every single day. Leave me a comment down below saying what will you buy with the money. Are you gonna give a big part of it to your family, or are you gonna go on vacation with that sort of money and never come back? In this video, I will show you a full step-by-step tutorial on how to set up this amazing income stream, so make sure to pay attention to every second of the video because I will drop some hidden tips and tricks that you can use with this method to maximize your earnings. And with that said, let's get right into it. So for the first step, you have to go to this website called plrdatabase.net. This is the website where we're gonna find the huge PLR product database that you can rebrand and sell. We can learn more about this website if we scroll down and click here where it says About. This platform is actually powered by done-for-you items with permissions like private label rights. PLR stands for Private Label Rights. This is one of the largest databases of products designed for PLR enthusiasts, and it is available for limitless amounts of downloads. And if you're wondering what makes the PLR database so unique, you can see here that you have a large number of items available. You have ebooks, softwares, articles, audio tutorials, audiobooks, graphics, web scripts, videos, tutorials, websites, WordPress theme, and so on and so forth. So basically, this website provides a lot of things that you can download for free, reuse it for your own purpose, and rename the products whatever you like. And what's good about this is that you can sell these things and you have the right to do so. When you scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on pricing, you will be taken to a page where you can see that they have different offers with different pricing, such as this premium one, which is $10 per user for 1 month, Premium Plus, which is $25, Premium Plus Plus, which is $49 per users for 1 year. They are all different, but we'll concentrate on the one that's free. And all you need is your unlimited free downloads. Nothing else is required, so you don't have to buy anything. So we're going to click on that, which will lead us to this page where we'll enter our information. So we can sign up for their website and use whatever we can on this platform to optimize our revenue with their database. So enter your username, email address, first and last name, create a password, repeat that password, check if your membership plan is set to free, agree to the terms and conditions, agree to the privacy policy, click on the CAPTCHA, and finally sign up. Remember, it is very important that you choose a working email address because they're gonna send you a verification email and you have to go verify in order to get to your dashboard. And I'll just fill this out so we can go on to the next step. I'm going to hit the create account button. Okay, now that we've done that, I'd like you to go over to the marketplace right over here and look at all the categories they offer. So they have everything from affiliate marketing to business to internet images to templates, sports, activities, and so much more. In our case, all of these categories are excellent, but we're going to look for free items right now. There are numerous ebooks available for free, rebranding and using in order to completely implement this strategy. So I'd like you to choose one ebook, and let's say I want to use this one. But before we go any further, I want you guys to keep watching the video, but also pay attention to the steps, because I get that a lot of people that watch my videos get confused sometimes. But if you just watch the video slowly and step by step, and also if you miss something, just pause the video and rewind it a little back. Like, this is not a race, guys, and believe me, if you watch the video and follow the process, it will work for you. So stay tuned, pay attention to the entire video, and watch the steps shown in this video. So for step number 2, I'd like you to go to this website called alphafile.net. Alphafile is a website that was created back in 2014. This is an old website, but it still has a big and a huge reputation. Alphafile.net has made a name for itself. They have experience in data storage services, which makes them popular with current consumers. They have a lot of services such as, like we said earlier, data storage, fast download speeds, file managers, and a variety of other payment methods. And what's good about this website is one of the payment methods is Bitcoin. So we'll concentrate on that one because Bitcoin is going to work for all your countries. So if we go to the affiliate program, for example, we can see that if you join their affiliate network, you will receive 50% of every order. And if you have a website, you can add your profile and watch your income start increasing. If you have 0 to 100 sales per month, you will get 10%. If you have 100 to 500 sales per month, you will earn 15%, and for 500 or more sales per month, you will get 20% commission, which is quite a lot. And you can also earn by referring other webmasters, earning 15% of every sale made by your referred webmaster. So for example, if you refer one of your friends and he starts doing the same method, you're gonna not only earn from the method that you're gonna be doing, but you're also gonna earn if your friend gets any sales or refers anybody else. So payments are made using Bitcoin, as seen here, PayPal, and so many other payment methods, but like I said, we're gonna focus on Bitcoin because that's available for everybody. And that's all there is to it. If you don't already have a Bitcoin wallet, go over to bitcoin.org and select your wallet, and the website will actually walk you through the process. It's so easy to create a Bitcoin wallet these days. Okay, so assuming that this is clear, I want you to go back to the website Alphafile and click sign up. When you do this, a registration page is going to appear. You will also need to enter your email address. Keep in mind it should be a valid email address, password, and repeat that password. Enter the code and agree to the terms and conditions. Then simply click create account. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Of course, you can upgrade to a premium account on this website as well, but we don't want to spend any money on it. We'd like to do it for free. As a result, they will offer us everything we require for free. When you sign up into your account, you will see the startup your files are right here. You can click on account, which will give you a drop-down menu with your profile, payout data, transactions, referrals, and so on and so forth. I want you to click on referrals and you will be given a referral link. And clicking on that link will take you to the startup page. Again, others can view and download the files that you upload. And as a result, the website will pay you a portion of every file downloaded using your account and referral link. They only pay for the traffic you generate on the website. And with that said, I believe we can actually go to step number 3, which is how to execute this method. So for step number 3, we're gonna go back to the first website, which is plrdatabase.net, and download the file you selected. So once the file has been downloaded to your computer, go back to the startup page and select upload. When the drop menu appears, pick Web Upload. You can also upload files directly here. So I'd like you to include the file you previously downloaded, wait a few seconds, and once it's finished, it usually takes between like 5 to 10 seconds, and there you have it, your file has been uploaded. You can shut this window now, your file will be right here, and if you want to keep track of the downloads you have right here, the website can assist you in obtaining the traffic that you require. However, if you want to optimize your results, go to referrals, copy your referral link and share it as much as possible. Assume that you want to share it on Facebook, for example, or Instagram. You have to target a certain audience. So go to facebook.com, log into your profile and type in the niche that you want to target in the search engine. If I want to target people that want to make money online, I'm going to go to Facebook and type in make money online. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to find some groups with a lot of members and groups with some not so strict rules so that way if I upload or if I actually give them my link, they're not gonna remove my post, because a lot of groups tend to do so. So you're gonna have to invest just a little bit of your time just to try and find that good group in the niche that you're trying to promote. And once you find the group that is easy and that is forgiving when you post links, you're gonna start posting your link and people are gonna click on it if you actually give them a reason to. So for that, you just have to write a good message, and that's it. That brings us to the end of today's video. Before we go, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be updated whenever we post new content on this channel. Don't forget to also hit the like button and leave a comment down below. And as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Take care.